So for this one, we need non-slip underlays that I'll show after I give the pictures, add the pictures at the end of this tutorial. So here I use small piece, I cut it special for. Let's start. I do like this, do one chain, after take this like this, see, to every hole we insert the hook and crochet. See how this will be, looks like every round we see, and crochet it to here like this, to here, and one time and two times to the same at the end. Here we almost crocheted. Here and here we do two times, so two times we crochet here. So I'll show every step by step. So we do the same. So we at the end, and I do this round. So crochet to here, to here, to here, to here. See, last part. Okay, to here and to here. Also to here. Done. So after you can do from here, crochet from here for thick effect, or so I'll do like this. Take and crochet. See, so this second row we do like this. After you can crochet almost from here. See, see, like this. So I done half, and this second row always will be like this. After you can do skip this part and crochet from here for spirals. So like this. This is really so easy and so fast to crochet, really so fast. Just simple single crochet, bust on, non-slip, under lay. See, to here, and to here. So one time and like this. See how this will be looks. You can do like this. So after second row I skip this place, and start crochet from here. So this is be like this. So first second row always I crocheted like this for when I started. After I skip this part and crochet from here. As you see here we have holes on this. See how this spirals looks. So where I started, as you see here, after I skip it, as you see we need crocheted this, so I skip this place and crocheted always like this. So like this have the place and I start. You can do from here if you want, do secure like this, or do as I, or do here from here. See, do from here or from here. So I do from here because I want the spirals like this last. Okay. So like this. This is really so easy to do, so fast to crochet. So as you see here I do. So if you want thicker like this, here we don't have hole, but after I crocheted from, if you want to, you two, and I done this carpet or mat. So to here, okay, see, that's why it's really so good. See how this looks on every side. And this is, you can use this part also, this really so good looks, and I love this part also. See how this looks really so good. Or use this part.